Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by dutchpapergirl. The most fantastic thing in the world happened to me. Really. I fell in love with a wonderful guy. Really awesome. My whole world is upside down and making videos isn't the first thing I'm thinking about right now. Sorry I kept you waiting that long. But also still in love with paper and making things. I made myself promise I would share what I made recently. Some time ago I stumbled upon this wonderful book about sliceform squares. I bought it on Amazon.Japan. I will try to find the link back and put it in the info below. Also special is that the author shares extra patterns on his website. A link in the info below as well. All the squares consist of the same outer shapes. That made me decide to design a pattern of my own, and I think it's a bonus to only have to adjust 4 parts that fit into the sphere. Hope you liked the video and you will give it a try yourselves. Thanks for watching, keep on crafting, bye!